It's running.
You going?
Yeah.
All right. This is a Topper 20 gauge, tactical, made for close quarter battle. It's top of the line. Shoots about 700 rounds per minute. It's real fast, accurate, deadly. This should be going on future weapons in about 3 years. Cause it's so far ahead of its time. It's deadly. Only I have access to it, and a couple 100,000 other shooters. Anyways, let's do this. Alright. See how deadly that is? Deadly weapon. Just kidding. You wanna go at it?